Here we go, House of the Loud versus Bruce Brothers. Second speed, passing through, uses it.
Seat with Busco with 1-2. So, napaka-importanting laban to for House of Collab.
Yeah, Bruce ang game pala. On the House of the Loud.
Super Jimmy. Here's KT.
Postiona, pushes through. And an offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Medyo nakikil. May enjoy yung Postiona doon. May lumipad na si.
Correct, second speed, having the ball. Pushing through the paint. Good, pushing up. No good.
Gets it back. One point of the ball game.
Postiona, ending it up, pushing through the paint. Attempts for two.
That's a good shot.
Postiona again. And a pass inside. Postiona again. And a pass inside.
Good alley play. Postiona to push Evan for the Busco connection.
Here we go, Sam was thinking about it. Pushing through, pushing up.
Laban, nice! Laban, brother!
And Postiona.
Nice one, ah!
Assist for Jonah and Evan for Chris Evan. 4-1 na, 4-1.
House of the Loud. Steal.
Kain niya, kain! Jerry, kain!
And a sidestep. And he gets the neck. And a steal from the House of the Loud. Busco Brothers.
One of the players of Busco Bros.
From the House of the Loud. Back to the speed. So we're thinking about the 2 points. Setting up the play. Pushing through the paint. Posting up. Pushing up.
Luis Neumann is still the ball down.
Postiona. Pushing through the paint. Pushing through the paint. The ball is with the Brusco Brothers. Postiona has the ball.
As he wants to hear out. Kaya naman.
Okay. The ball is with the House of the Loud.
That's a good pass right there inside. 16
Now,
now.
with the Brusco Brothers.
What a shot. Super Jimmy scores his first
Oh,
goal.
ball down 40-40.
Daos to
And up the next.
Super Jimmy.
Another one.
saan talagang gumagana ngayon dito para sa House of Collab.
Para makahabol.
House of
Needs San Agustin to put some points in.
Jeric!
Russo Brothers pushing it in. Get up next. One more. San Agustin once more. Oh!
Yung intensity, ano?
Partida na
Pikon
daw.
yan! Napipikon na! Diyan!
Eyebrow. Posyon ng
Sino
Jimmy
ba?
Barcio.
Malakas.
Nice one!
26 seconds.
Bang! Di ramdam Gary!
Hindi talaga ng foul.
Ayan! Napipikon na! Napipikon na! Napipikon na!
San Agustin is going out.
Hindi ka pwede mag-basketball!
Gary Lowe.
We go. Posyon.
Takbo, Gary!
Pestel naman. Sa labas. Papasok. Corsi in, 1 in. Pinasa.
And the shot clocks expire.
Hey!
4 minutes and 56 seconds. Kalate na. Here's
Pushing it through. Iba ang aggressive si Posyon.
Clear pala yun. Mental by aggressive. Bang on the drive. Inside the field.
Posyon ang 70%.
Again, wasn't here. Kung may init eh.
We go 4-point lead from Bristol Brothers. At the move for the House of Collab. Aggressiveness, defense from House of Collab from Posyon. And he passes for the single. Get it to next. House of Collab. Oh! Body.
Back on the floor is San Agustin and KD.
Here we go, pushing inside. And so much in. And triggers an injury inside. Timeout injury. Right here. Heading in the board.
Kasi nagkakanya-kanya na naman kayo. Wala, nagpapadala naman kasi emotion kanyo. Yun ang nangyari sa atin ng game man. Ganyan mangyayari. Kontrolin nyo kayo, mag-control na lang. Nagpapakontrol kayo sa emotion nyo eh. Pinapabayaan nyo yung lamang eh. Sa atin na yan oh.
From Brusco Brothers. San Agustin.
Here's KD.
Ladies, San Agustin sitting about 2 points. Slashing the drill.
Nag-isip pa eh. Atake. Bang!
Para lumuwag.
Now they try their best effort. Because it's only 2 minutes.
Yan!
On the comeback. 1 point for Posyon. Loses it.
Tatlong parts, able to steal the ball.
Oh, what an intelligent move from the
4 seconds remaining on the shot clock.
Jeric, silbo, silbo.
House of Collab,
Silbo,
grabe
ilan
yung
ka,
saya ng ano. 4 seconds. Take a shot. 2 seconds. Bingo! Wala yan.
San Agustin, eto na.
Wala ka pa rin.
Posyon na. Titira ng dos.
Wala yan.
Down, down, down.
Three from the corner. No!
Still, no one can connect on a 2-point line.
In the game.
And still, 4-point lead from the Brusco Brothers.
More than 2 minutes remaining here in the ball game.
San Agustin taking about a 2. And he can't connect.
Able to see it. KD. Second try. Oh! Bye-bye.
Wow, what a scuffle.
And he loses his back on the process.
Sir, time out.
Rep, time out!
Talagang puso lang.
Still have
Kasi
lamang tayo. Apat yan. Uy, ano nagiging problema natin? May depensa kayo. Ayaw nyo na mukha nyo rebound, ayaw nyo pumantay.
Buka rebound yan, nakakasayos eh!
Oo, tulong-tulong tayo sa rebound. Tapos, pag nado-double, hanap ng libre. Huwag nyo kano pag-ulit kasi marami pa tayong game. Tapusin natin ito ng madali, huwag nyo nang pahirapin sa rebound.
Para manalo.
Kaya kay Pang.
KD wins.
of the Brusco brothers. Here we go. Bossy Jonah thinking about the two. Passing it inside. Network.
Base na natin nakikita yung connection na yun.
San Agustin. Wow! What a effort for San Agustin. And a defense on the right. Bossy Jonah is open. And a defense on the right. Bossy Jonah is open. San Agustin papawin. And it's good. Once again, Brusco brothers inside. Waiting for it. San Agustin. San Agustin to the goal. Towards the throw. San Agustin bucket. Brusco brothers 8-4 out of Cola. Pushing it inside. A pass. Bossy Jonah. Bossy Jonah. Hesitation.
1 second. Pinalo. Wala yan.
Once again.
And someone is down again.
The ball goes to Brusco brothers.
With the 80 again was hit on the A timeout. Has a cooldown.
Bossy Jonah. Here we go. 3-point lead for Brusco brothers. Hesitation on the ball.
Alam mo, no? Jonah dito, facilitating for his team.
Here we go, San Agustin, attempting for two. Can connect. And a follow-up. And one foul for the Brusco brothers. Here we go, sabi ni Bossy Jonah. And the defense from San Agustin. Wow! Brusco brothers. And we only have 24 seconds left on the timer. San Agustin loses it. Now, and hits it. Bossy Jonah, sabi niya, sige, gusto ko oras tayo ngayon. Bossy Jonah for two. And another rebound. San Agustin for two. And win the game against the Brusco brothers. And of course, 1 point deficit our game.
San Agustin able to score but not enough.
And of course, once again, you are here at the Moody.
Kaya dito talaga sadya yun. Dito ako dito sadya. Hindi ko alam eh. 2 seconds lang pasapit ako. Pagtalon, umama ang dito. Sadya.
Hindi ko nagawin ko rin sa reason mo, pero meron ka rin sabihin about your motivation today.
Kahit maraming sinasabi iba, tuloy-tuloy lang kayo sa buhay nyo. Buhay nyo yan. Hindi nila buhay yan. Kaya sa akin nga, siyempre kay Lord, maraming pasalamat kung hindi tayo sa kanya wala tayo lahat dito. At sorry nga pala kung saan nadali ko kanina sa ako ko lang. Pasensya na bro. Kaya kung talaga sinabi dyan bro. Masyaro sa mga kaya kami dito. Maraming salamat sa Brusco. Sa pamilya ko.
One last thing, one question for you. What is the most important lesson you've learned from your team?
Sa team namin, chemistry na po eh. Kumbaga, ang tagal na namin kakilala, pasit na talaga lahat ng play. Kumbaga, magkakapatid talaga kami, kaya kahit matagal-tagal kami din kasama basta sa team namin. Yun, kaso nyo pa. Hey, what's up mga ka-bad boys? So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumita ng pera. So pinapalala ko sa inyo ang 1xBet. Siyempre guys, para malaro nyo itong larong to, napakadali lang. Yung lucky link ko nasa may comment section, mag-register lang kayo. At siyempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan ang promo code ko na 1xJona kasi makakatanggap kayo dito ng bonus up to 12,000 pesos. At kapag nakapag-register ka na, ay papasok ka na dito sa login na to. At syempre, alam nyo naman tayo, mahilig tayo sa sports, copy nga ng Pinas, di ba? So, magtataya lang tayo sa mga gusto nating team na tayaan. Yan, pili lang tayo dyan, guys. Sabay, tumaya na tayo. Ganun-ganun lang kadali dito sa 1xBet, guys. Kaya kung sa inyo, guys, itry nyo na to, napakadali lang, di ba? Kaya yung lucky link ko nasa may comment section. Mag-register na kayo at tara na maglaro ng 1xBet. Let's go!
Dami na kasi ang galit sa amin. Laging madilim kasi mag-isip. Hindi sa lalamunan